Unlock your Nikon Z30's full potential and elevate your content creation by transforming it into your laptop's ultimate webcam. First, let's get physical. Grab the USB-C cable that came with your Nikon Z30. Locate the USB-C port on the side of your camera, typically near the battery compartment. Now, take the other end of the USB-C cable and connect it securely to an available USB port on your laptop. It's best to use a USB-C port if your laptop has one for optimal speed. If your laptop only has USB-A ports, you might need a USB-C to USB-A adapter. With your camera connected, your laptop should recognize it on Windows. This might appear as a portable device or a storage device in File Explorer. On a Mac, it will usually show up in Finder. Now, power on your Nikon Z30. You might see an indicator on your camera's screen that it's recognized the USB connection. Some cameras will automatically switch to a USB connection mode. The magic happens with the right software for Nikon Z30 users. The most crucial tool is the Nikon Webcam utility. If you haven't already, download and install this free software from the official Nikon website onto your laptop. Once installed, launch the Nikon Webcam utility. You should see your Nikon Z30 automatically detected and a live preview of the camera's output appear within the software window. This confirms a successful connection. Finally, to actually use your Z30 for streaming or recording, open your preferred video software, like OBS Studio, Streamlabs, or even your video conferencing application. In the video source settings, select Nikon Webcam utility as your camera input. And there you have it. You're now capturing stunning, high-definition video from your Nikon Z30, ready for your next live stream, video call, or recording session.